Hello and welcome to Michael's Casual Gaming and Tech channel. I'm your host, Michael. Today we'll look at cleaning up and repurposing an older Minisforum mini PC to give my grandmother a nice upgrade. She said she's interested in learning more about using a computer, which I enthusiastically support. I want to upgrade the PC while I'm at it so it will last a few more years. I'm going to double the RAM to 16 gigabytes and replace the SSD with a 1 terabyte one. I'll also show you how to get Windows 11 working on this older model. It's a little involved, but it's certainly possible to do. Alright, let's get started. Before we can install Windows 11, we must update the BIOS on the machine. Minisforum provides the instructions on how to update the BIOS on their website. I'll leave a link in the description below. After downloading the files, copy them to a flash drive. Boot from this drive to enter the UEFI shell. Type fs1: to access the drive and type dir to see what files are on the drive. Next you'll type f.nsh to show you the command that you'll need to enter next. Type this command. You can push tab to auto-complete the file names. Press enter and allow the program to execute. Once done, the system will restart. Now you will see new menu options available. Under Trusted Computing, you will see the embedded TPM 2.0 is now available for use by Windows 11. You will also now have Secure Boot available for use. However, you must disable the CSM module first. This is only needed for Legacy Boot, which Windows 11 cannot use. You will need to reboot to apply these changes. Now we can enable Secure Boot. Once again, reboot to apply this change. Double checking, we can now see that Secure Boot is now active. Now we'll be able to install Windows 11. Reboot and select the USB drive with the Windows installer. Proceed with the Windows 11 installation. Now she has a much better PC to use for the next several years. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.